friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the SHARKOON TG7M RGB mid-tower case. So friends, SHARKOON has announced the TG7M RGB mid-tower case, and friend, its front panel is a mesh panel with good airflow, and it comes included with 120mm ARGB fan with 3 front and 1 rear blade fans. And as a standard equipment, this device has an RGB controller that offers manual control and collaboration with the motherboard, enabling you to adjust the light emission pattern and color of the fan. And the expansion slot connects 7 plus 2 stages, and the graphics card may be fitted vertically by utilizing a riser card, which is optional. And the drive bays are 3.5 inch shadow bay into 2, 2.5 inch shadow bay into 4, and each effective area is up to 172 mm tall for the CPU cooler, 380 mm long for the graphics card, and 220 mm deep for the power supply unit. And the exterior dimensions are 220 mm wide, 485 mm deep, and 488 mm tall with a weight of 7.8 kg. And E80X, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX are the all form factors supported. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.